15 December 2017, Bitcoin hit this high point. On approximately about 8 or 9 December 2007, I sent out a report to our members all around the world and said that Bitcoin is going to reach a high point at or around 15 December, and that high point is 19,500. We are the only people in the world that I know about that can credibly show that they called the high point on 15 December 2007. Our members got out of the market at that high point. Right down here at the bottom, here in 15 December 2018, we told our subscribers at Python Signals and we said risk adverse investors can now get back into the market. Those people who got it back in the market went up all the way high to this point here. Again, on 15 December 2018, we are the only people in the world that I know of that have called the low in Bitcoin. What is going to come next? You need to get hold of a Python Signal representative or affiliate that will show you how to get into Python Signals and how to get your hands on our reports. Let's go back here to the overall view for Bitcoin. In this chart, you can see that this is the weekly chart, and right here on the bottom here at about 2011, right there to where we are now today, which is 19 May 2019. You can see here that the market retraced about 84% in 2011. Here in 2013, the market again retraced 84%. And then again here in 2014 and 15, the market retraced by 86%. During the 2017 and 2018 retracement, Bitcoin dropped 83%. So you can see here 84, 84, 86, 83%. The market then turned around. Now let's have a look here how fast or how much the market went upwards. If you take that right there to the top, you can see that Bitcoin went up. After the retracement of 84%, it went up 500%. What did it do here in 2013? And let's go right down to the bottom there and we move that up and you'll see it went up another 485%. Here in 2014 back to 2017, it went up a staggering 12,500% gains. This is what Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies made, guys. As a matter of fact, cryptocurrencies made more. Now, what is happening next year, where the market is here, right there at 19 or 20 May 2019? If you want to know what is going to happen next, you have to get in touch with one of our affiliates at pythonsignals.com. Right down in this video, on the bottom there, the comments, have a look there. There will be affiliate links. Sign up for free at one of those links. Get in touch with a Python Signals affiliate and we will get you into our community where you can get hold of our unique reports. Again, guys, we were the only people in the world that I know of that have called the high of Bitcoin in 2017. We are the only people in the world that I know of that have called the low of 15 December 2018, where we told our subscribers to get back into the market. Sign up here at pythonsignals.com. Have a fantastic day. We look forward to seeing you on the other side.